If you enjoy our content, please hit that like button and share this video with your friends.
Make sure you stay tuned until the end for some exciting updates, and don't forget to drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below.
Welcome to the grand spectacle of light and color, where Python meets the Festival of Lights fireworks.
We'll add a pinch of unpredictability to our show with the random module, ensuring each firework is a unique surprise.
Prepare the canvas for the night sky. First, we set the night sky. A deep black canvas awaits the pyrotechnics of our turtle artist. Set up our firework architect.
Here's our maestro, the turtle, ready to choreograph a ballet of sparks.
A function to change the pen color, adding flavor to our display.
With this magical spell, our turtle changes its pen, ready to cast streaks of color across the sky.
A function to mimic the explosive beauty of fireworks.
Now, let's create the essence of our display, the fireworks function, which draws each dazzling explosion. Around and around we go. Where the turtle stops, a beautiful spark is born.
With every loop, we craft the petals of our fiery flower, blooming in the black sky. A function to position our turtle for the next firework. Our turtle doesn't just draw. It dances across the screen to find the perfect spot for the next firework.
East or west, north or south, our turtle's journey is decided by the whims of chance. And with a leap of faith, our turtle lands, ready to ignite the next firework. Set the speed to lightning, because in the world of fireworks, there's no time to dawdle.
A kaleidoscope of colors to paint the fireworks.
From the passionate red to the calm blue, our color palette is as varied as it is vibrant.
The grand finale of fireworks.
30 times we'll repeat this ritual, invoking the beauty of chaos and color. The turtle dips its pen in a potion of colors, never knowing which it will choose next. Small and intense or large and mellow, the size of our fireworks is at the mercy of randomness. After each burst of beauty, our turtle scuttles to a new location, ready to amaze once again.
And as the last spark fades, we conclude our show.
But don't fret. The turtle is always ready for an encore.
Alright, we've just seen the program in action and checked out the results. If you found this useful and enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. For more in-depth support or engineering consultancy services, head over to eprogrammer.com. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.